Welcome back, lovely people. This is another Temu video. Thank you for all the engagements on my previous Temu videos. I really appreciate. Of course, I'm here again. I have another package from Temu and I'm here to unbox it. So let's open this up and see what we got. Meanwhile, as I'm unboxing this, I'm going to leave my link on the description box and also on the screen. If you're a new app user, even if you're an existing user of the Temu app, just search for my number, my code on the Temu search bar, and once you do that, the coupons is going to be applied, the discount is going to be applied, even for free gifts. Just search my code on the Temu bar. For those that want to join the affiliate program, the Temu affiliate program, I'll also leave the code on the screen for you to search on the Temu search bar, and just like that you join, and all you need to do is just to share your code with other people, invite them, and you earn. As I am now, I'm not just shopping on Temu, I'm also part of the affiliate program, you know, just making small money here and there. So if you know you want to do that, just click on my code and you get yourself started on that journey. Okay, we didn't order a lot actually, just few things. Meanwhile, this is the bag. I guess it was big because of this. This is a winter jacket, my own winter jacket. I mean, it's winter now in Germany, so we decided to get something. We saw something on Temu really nice with good reviews, and yeah. Well, first impression, this is really nice. I mean, just take a look. Of course, I'm going to wear it. I'll wear it, and I also put a picture on the screen so that we see what the picture on the app looks like and what it looks like on me. So this is it. Normally when I order things on Temu, when it comes to clothing, I order a size large. But for this winter jacket, because I didn't want something that would be too tight on me, I mean, it's something I'm going to wear on top of clothes, so I went for a size higher, which is XL, and I'm really happy we made that decision and we ordered this. This is really, really nice. Like, let me open it so that we can see what it looks like inside. Temu is just coming through with the qualities at this point. I love it. Everything I've ordered on Temu so far, except I don't at the first time when I just started using the app, when I didn't really understand the sizing and everything, I made a few mistakes in ordering things that are not my size. But since I got the hang of it, there has been no regrets whatsoever. So yes, I'll wear this to show us what it looks like. Now the next thing, this cute thing for my baby, I mean for when we are bathing him. Let me just take it out of the bag. This thing, just put it around the baby's head for when you're bathing the baby, so that water doesn't get to the face. Yeah, that's what this is for. The next thing is this. This is also for our baby. Yeah, just a pair of shorts. Is a pair 5. Yes, it's a pair of 5 for, I think this is 6 to 9 months. Okay, 9 to 12 months. Here, 9 to 12 months. So there are 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My Temu newborn haul, I got something similar to this for the first month, like 0 to 3 months. I'm going to link that video in my description, or I'm going to link it up here. Just click on it and watch so that you see everything I got for my baby before I gave birth. I mean, I got those things from Temu when I was, I think, my 9th month of pregnancy. So I'm going to link that video. Now the next thing, I think this is what I'm really excited about. Like, oh, of course I'll leave the picture and the price on the screen. Just who can guess what is here? Yes, this is for our baby. I mean, he's transitioning to solids now. He's going to be 6 months soon, but I already started giving him, you know, puree. I blend up Irish potatoes, broccoli, carrots, avocados, you know, stuff like that. So he's taking solids now, and we just thought to get this plate set. This is so nice. Just look at this. Look at this. This is the plate, and this one, I love this. This is so nice. And this is the bib, of course, something he will eat with. The fork and knife. We got this for a really good price. I searched other places and I was seeing 20-something euros, and like, I bet I checked Temu, and the quality is really nice. This is the cup, really cute cup. The cup is 250 ml. It's so beautiful. Like, baby things are so cute. I don't know, I can't get over it. This is still if you don't want to use this cup for your baby, you can use this one. I think you can. This one allows you to insert a straw, and this is the straw. Oh, this is so cute. You can use this one with the straw, and then this one. Okay, this one is for fruits. When you cut up small fruits, just put it here for baby, or on the other plates. You just use this, and the baby will, of course, he can't use it now. Maybe when he's much older and he's learning to eat with his hands, I'm going to encourage him with this. But these are so nice, like solid. It's so beautiful. And of course, this is a suction plate, so you can just easily place it on the table and it won't move. I'm even trying I place it on the table. I'm trying to remove it. It's really, yeah, this is really nice. I'm happy for this buy. Anyway, the next thing, this is something for the leg, for scraping the dead skin off the back of the leg, like the heels. That's what this is for. And this is for baby's bed, you know, in case he wets the bed. It just protects the bed against wetness. And this is actually a bit small. My husband placed this order. Maybe he didn't get the measurements right, so I don't know. But anyway, it's not for the whole bed. It's just for, you know, the area where his waist will be. So that's what this is for. And then this one is for, what's this? Let's see what this one is for. Well, this is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A set of 5, you know, small singlets for our baby. So let me just show us what it looks like. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just something he wears, you know, in the house, and it feels free on him. I'm trying to see the age for this one. It's just written 90 here, but it's really, really nice. It's cute. And the last thing, yes, this one actually came. This one is a smartwatch. It came yesterday, so we already unboxed it. The other was split into two. One was delivered yesterday, and then this one came in today. So it's a smartwatch, and this is what it looks like. Basically, it does everything a smartwatch is supposed to do. Count your steps, your calories, you know, everything. This is what it looks like. It has an app that you download so that you can connect it to your phone, and yeah, that's just what it is. It's really, really nice. I already got one earlier for myself, and although mine is, you know, circular, but let me get it and show us what it looks like. This is mine, the one I got for myself earlier. It's really nice. I mean, it does the job. I love to wear it, and this is the one we got. So It's just okay. I love it. So that is everything we got. I just thought that I should come on here to unbox it. I'm really excited. I love everything. This one is what I'm most excited about, and of course my winter jacket. Everything we got is really nice. And yes, that's the end of this video. So my code is on the screen. All you need to do is just to search for the code on the app, and you are entitled to 30% off your order or free gifts. Just type in the code and see what Temu offers you. And like I said, if you want to join the affiliate program, promotes the code, and as long as someone uses your code, you get commissions off every click and every download and all that. All you need to do is just to promote the code. Search for my code, search the code on the search bar, and you're on your way to making money. If you're shopping on the Temu app, why not also try making money on the app? All right, thank you for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Okay, bye.